I'm just tickled, man. Thank you. I'm just tickled pink.
My brother, he right down and he talked to me. He told me that I'd not let you just walk out on me. And I'm sure he meant well, yeah. But when our talk was through, I said, brother, if he only knew, he wished that you were in my shoes. You just keep on using me until you